everyone, what's up? Welcome to the Confident Dancers channel. If you're new here, my name is B-Girl Mel and I teach hip-hop dance online. If you're someone who's struggling to learn hip-hop dance, don't know where to start, or just think you're too old to start something new, time to make this year your year to learn how to dance. Let me coach you personally, and the link to apply is in the description box below. If you like what you see in this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. In this video, we're gonna learn 3 easy dance moves to do at the club. These are the type of moves where you just don't want to bother being on the dance floor, but you do want to get down on the wall. The format goes, I teach the move without music, we try it with music, and then at the very end, we're going to combine all 3 steps to create a short, fun pattern. All right, let's get started. The first move we're going to do is called the thunderclap. You've seen this in Usher's Yeah video, and it looks like this. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's break it down. We're gonna do the lower body first and then the upper body. So with the lower body, all you're doing is bending the knees. And mind you, all of the steps you're learning today, we're not moving at all. You're just literally staying in one place. So if you're in a spot where you're like, I wanna get down, but I don't wanna go too much on the dance floor, these are perfect moves. So we're bending the knees, and we're just bouncing, staying in place. Our feet don't move, our knees are the only things that move. So we're just bending 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's all you're doing. You're just going bend up, bend up, bend up, bend up. Yeah, get it, let's go. All right, that's all you're doing for that bottom half of the move. So for the upper body, there's 2 things I want to focus on, the shoulders and then what's happening with our hands. So with the shoulders, basically you're just bringing your right shoulder back and then it comes forward. So you're going back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward. Now your hands, you're gonna bring your right hand back as your right shoulder goes back. Your left hand is extended out. Okay, so one hand is up, one arm is raised up, the second hand is raised back near the shoulder. And then on the second part, you're gonna slice or clap, okay? So you're basically going back, clap, back, clap, back, clap, back, clap. So let's try that again, focusing on the shoulders and then clapping up in that diagonal. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it one more time. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So with the knees, the coordination, every time you prep it, you bend, and then every time you clap, you bend. So it's always bend, 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 bend. Or if you want to get super technical, bend up, bend up, bend up, bend up. All right? So let's go a little bit faster. We're gonna go 1, 2, this tempo of 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one more 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try it with music.
Hey.
Good job, everyone. So the next move we're gonna do is called lean back, and you've seen this on Fat Joe's lean back video, and it looks like this. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the breakdown is extremely similar to the thunderclap with the lower body and the shoulders. The only difference is in the arms. So as a recap, we're bending the knees. All right. So if we want to add counts, it's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The shoulders do the same thing. You bring your right shoulder back and then right shoulder forward, okay? So the same thing with the thunderclap. You're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with this right shoulder back. So with the lean back, you're not necessarily leaning straight back. It's the same with the thunderclap where you're actually bringing one side back and lower and then bringing that side back up. So again, it's not going lean back like that. You're going to the side, lean back, and then back up, okay? So let's try the shoulders. You're going 5, 6, let's go for 2 8 counts. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To close it off, now we're just gonna cross our arms right under our chest, and that's the hand position or the arm position. So with thunderclap, you're clapping. With lean back, your arms are crossed. So let's put that together. Let's do 2 8 counts. A 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try that with music. Hey. Okay, everyone, the third and final move we're gonna do is called the shmoney dance. Shmoney, S-H-M-O-N-E-Y. And you've first seen this with Bobby Shmurda's Hot N video. And it looks like this. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's break it down. Same format as in the other 2 moves. We'll do the lower body first and then the upper body. So with the lower body, you're basically switching and alternating your knee bends, and you're bending one knee at a time. So feet stay together. You don't even move or step out or do anything. You literally stay in place. I'm starting with my right knee bent, and then my left knee straightens. So if you wanna kind of go a little deeper on this, you feel a deep stretch on your hip. So you're bending the right knee and straightening the left. And then you do it on the other side. You bend the right knee and straighten the right. Or sorry, bend the left knee, straighten the right, okay? So let me show you sideways so you can see what's happening. If I bend my right knee first, bend the right knee, I straighten my left, and then I can feel a hip stretch on my left side. If I do it on the other side, now I'm bending my left knee, straightening my right, and then I can feel a stretch on my right hip, okay? So let's just do that lower body part for 2 8 counts. So 5, 6, 7, right knee goes first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so if you feel a stretch, you're doing it right for sure. So with the upper body, there's some free movement and variation that you could do, but you're basically thinking like you're crossing and opening and keeping your elbows near your torso. And you can do a cross, open, open, cross, stay crossed, stay open. So you can figure out your own variation or pattern or sequence of the arms crossing and opening on how you want to do this. What stays consistent is the knee bend. You can even double it up, double. For the sake of this tutorial, we'll just alternate it. We won't do anything like double and then single, double. Like we won't play with anything like that. Let's just keep it extremely simple and then one knee bent at a time, okay? But the arms, you could definitely play. So for this demonstration, let's just do a cross open. Don't worry about the knees yet. Let's just cross open. So 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, open, cross, open, cross, open, cross, open. Okay, now let's actually play with a cross, open, cross, open, open, cross, open, cross. Did you get that? So basically my point is you don't have to alternate. Let's play with not alternating an even cross open. You can go cross, open, stay open, cross, stay crossed, open. So basically just changing it up, adding a little spice to that sequence. So 5, 6, let's play with our cross open. Boom, da, 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 boom, boom, 7, 8. So notice how I didn't make it extremely even. I just messed around and do different things. And that's the fun part because you're freestyling. That's a really basic variation of what freestyle looks like, is changing things up from the foundation. So now let's add the knees and the hip opening part with this arm crossing and opening, okay? So 5, 6, 7, let's keep it simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now an extra little detail is as I'm crossing, my torso also twists. So this, I'm twisting to the left and to the right, the left to the right. So in other words, whatever leg is straight, that's the direction my torso is twisting. So left leg is straight, torso's twisting to the left. Right leg is straight, torso's twisting to the right. So now let's try it again, but play with the arm sequences where it's uneven, keeping the legs the same, but arms are different. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's play one more 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's try it with music. Hey. All right, here's the fun part. Let's put all 3 moves together to create a short sequence. We're gonna only do each move for 1 8 count. So it's gonna go from thunderclap first, lean back second, and then the shmoney dance third, take a little short rest, and then we're gonna do it again. All right, let's go. Hey. We did it, everyone. Hopefully you feel good about it, and now you have 3 new steps that you could do at the club or any social setting. And if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to our channel. We release videos just like this every Tuesday. All right, everyone, see you next week. Peace.